Hello and welcome back. Home cooks, you're going to love these 15 time-saving kitchen gadgets that make meal prep easier and your kitchen more efficient. From prepping ingredients in seconds to clever tools that save space and reduce mess, most are on special deals right now, so check the links below and let's dive right in. This multifunctional cookie scoop is a baker's dream. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, it features a smooth trigger release mechanism for effortless scooping of cookie dough, meatballs, or even ice cream. The 2.93 tablespoon capacity ensures perfectly portioned treats, making baking faster and more consistent. Say goodbye to messy corn prep with this innovative peeler. The sharp stainless steel blade easily removes kernels from cobs in seconds, saving you time in the kitchen. The ergonomic, non-slip grip provides comfort and control, making it perfect for summer barbecues and fresh corn recipes. Keep your cut onions fresh and odor-free with this playful, onion-shaped container. Designed with an airtight seal, it locks in freshness while preventing fridge odors from spreading. It's reusable, easy to clean, and a fun, practical way to store leftover onions. Juice your favorite fruits quickly and effortlessly with this compact citrus juicer. The sharp ridges extract maximum juice from lemons, limes, and small oranges, while the built-in measuring cup ensures accuracy. Its sturdy design and ergonomic grip make it a must-have for fresh juice enthusiasts. Cleaning sharp knives and cutlery has never been safer or easier. This unique brush features a wraparound design with durable bristles that thoroughly clean both sides of the blade. The non-slip grip provides added safety and control, making dishwashing less stressful. Upgrade your breakfast game with these durable egg rings. Made from non-stick stainless steel, they're ideal for shaping fried or poached eggs, pancakes, or burger patties. With an easy-to-use design and comfortable handles, you'll create perfectly round, evenly cooked meals every time. Keep your stovetop clean and organized with this versatile spoon rest and lid holder. Its foldable design holds cooking utensils, pot lids, and even small pans, saving space in the kitchen. Perfect for multitasking, it's a handy solution to keep your workspace tidy. Struggle no more with stubborn jars. This under-cabinet jar opener grips any size jar securely, allowing you to open it effortlessly. Ideal for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone with weak hands, this discreet USA-made gadget is a game-changer for the kitchen. Your ultimate avocado prep tool. This slicer makes splitting, pitting, and slicing avocados safer and faster than ever. The stainless steel pitter removes pits easily, and the fan blade creates perfect slices every time. It's a must-have for guacamole lovers. Master your cooking timing with this sleek, magnetic kitchen timer. Its easy-to-read LED display, adjustable volume, and intuitive controls make it great for precise cooking, baking, and even timing kids' activities. Compact and modern, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. Simplify draining and straining with this clip-on colander. Designed to fit most pots, pans, and bowls, it's perfect for draining pasta, rinsing vegetables, and more. The collapsible, space-saving design makes it an essential tool for efficient cooking. Keep your herbs fresher for longer with this compact herb saver. Its water reservoir ensures that your cilantro, parsley, and other herbs stay hydrated, preserving their flavor and freshness for up to 3 times longer. A simple way to reduce waste and save money. Spread cold butter like a pro with this stainless steel butter knife. Its serrated edge and strategically placed holes make it easy to create thin, even ribbons of butter for effortless spreading. Durable, stylish, and practical, it's a must-have for any breakfast table. Make and store ice with ease using this stackable ice cube tray set. It includes 2 trays with lids, a bucket, and a scooper for a mess-free experience. Perfect for cocktails, coffee, or any chilled beverage, this set is compact, leak-proof, and convenient. This classic can opener combines style and functionality with its sharp stainless steel cutting wheel and comfortable ergonomic handles. Easy to use and durable, it also features a built-in bottle opener, making it a versatile tool for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you found these kitchen gadgets helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest finds. Let us know in the comments which gadget you'll be adding to your kitchen, and check the links below to grab these amazing deals. See you in the next video.